I'm here to testify on what the B360 have done through the Graduate Career Starter Workshop. I have learned so many processes in how to look for job and entrepreneurship skills as well as business management.
The Career Starter Workshop has been a very great experience. We learned how to conduct ourselves in professional settings through dress code and formal language use. We also learned about the internal structure of an organization and the importance of good governance.
I choose organizing because I can't be an expert or I'm not really a leader and I can't coach.
Yes, you can if you have to. But what do you like about organizing?
And like being an inspiration.
How do you do that to be an inspiration?
I mean, like, let me say people need to complete a task. Instead of telling them to do that, you give them an example, like you do it first and then they follow.
The career workshop had been a very great experience for me this week. It really added a lot to my knowledge and skills. My best experience was working in teams during this week. Every time we got a task.
Our business name is Fresh Hops and Bodies Limited. It's an irrigation system where we produce or grow hops and barleys in the north for our client.
Well, we have other features such as providing more safety for passengers in general, like students, people coming from work and all that, through an app. For those that have smartphones, there's an app.
Then we have the supervisors for each department, and under the supervisors, each supervisor has their own assemblers.
I would like to thank B360 for making this opportunity possible for me and the other graduates during this week, because personally we would really not be able to afford this opportunity. And lastly but not least, I would like to thank Rita and Markus for being so patient and dedicated to us this week.
I would also like to thank Rita and Markus for giving us a different perspective of what takes place in Switzerland in the corporate world and the difference in what takes place in Namibia.